The price tag on the screen looks like a typo. It is that good. You've been looking for this specific hardcover for months, and there it is, sitting on a site called Gumliz for half the price of everywhere else. Your thumb hovers over the buy button. Your brain is telling you it is a steal, but your gut is whispering something else. That little voice is usually right, especially when it comes to the Wild West of online bookstores. Lately, a lot of people have been ignoring that voice, and they are paying for it in stress. I started looking into the digital footprint of this shop. What I found was a trail of breadcrumbs leading to some very frustrated places. If you head over to Trustpilot, you will see a pattern that repeats like a broken record. People place an order, the money leaves their bank account, and then silence. We are not talking about a couple of days. We are talking about weeks, sometimes months of waiting for a package that never arrives. The most troubling part is not just the delay, it is the ghosting. Trying to find a real human being to talk to at this company is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. There are no clear phone numbers, no responsive chatbots, just a generic email address that seems to swallow inquiries whole. On Reddit, the stories get even more detailed. Users are swapping horror stories about trying to get their money back. Some say they eventually got their books, which keeps the site from being a total obvious fake. But the gamble is huge. You have to ask yourself if saving $10 is worth the headache of a 3-month mystery. A legitimate shop wants your repeat business. They want you to feel safe. They provide tracking numbers that actually work, and they answer the phone when things go wrong, when those basics are missing. The red flags are flying at full mast. It is easy to get lured in by a slick website design. It is easy to trust a professional-looking logo. But the real truth is buried in the comment sections. It is in the 1-star reviews from people who just wanted to read a book, but ended up fighting with their credit card company for a chargeback. Before you enter your payment details, do a little bit of detective work. Look for a physical street address. Look for a real return policy that actually makes sense. If the only way to contact them is a web form, be very careful. There are plenty of reputable sellers out there who actually value their customers. Paying a few dollars more for a guaranteed delivery is a bargain compared to the stress of being scammed. Your time is worth more than a discount. Your peace of mind is worth more than a bargain. Keep your eyes open and keep your wallet closed until you are sure, because once that money is gone, it is incredibly hard to get it back. Stay sharp out there, and do not let a pretty website fool you into a bad deal.